What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ricky Somborn, and today we're going to learn how to play Hostage by Billie Eilish on the good old uke. As always, with every tutorial that I upload here on YouTube, I will be including a skip to section right here. That basically just tells you if you just want to skip to the strumming or the chords, you can skip directly straight to that. You don't have to hear me talk for 3 minutes straight. You can just skip to whatever section that you want. Some people have actually said that I talk too much in these videos, so I apologize. I just like to talk. But if you don't mind me talking for 10 minutes, then just watch the entire thing and just relax. Grab a cup of coffee, grab a tea, grab a drink, get some snacks. Let's go ahead and learn this song. One thing I do want to point out before getting into this tutorial is that I did do a full play along for this song, so it's basically just me doing a full strum and singing of the song. It's a separate video. I'll link it right up here. Also link it in the description and in the top comments. The structure that I want to do from now on is I'm going to upload the tutorial video on the first day, and then the following day I'm going to upload the play along video. So it's going to be a 1-day tutorial, learn the song. Second day, you learn it, play along with me, let's have some fun. But yeah, so that's kind of the structure that I'm gonna have on this video or on this channel moving forward. So the play along video will always be uploaded the day after the tutorial is uploaded. So again, if you're watching this in the future, I'll link everything in the top comments description, also right in the eye right up here. So with all that being said and done, let's get into this tutorial. So the chords that you need for this song are A minor, C, D minor, E7, and F. So again, as I mentioned previously, if you do want to just skip ahead to whatever section that you want, if you know the chords and you're like, Ricky, I just want to know how to play the song and the strumming, I'm going to put, again, the skip to section right here, so you can skip to whatever section in the video that you want. But if you're like, Ricky, I don't know those chords, I just started playing like yesterday, a week ago, or whatever, please help me. Don't worry, this is why this video exists. We're going to go step by step on how to play each chord, where to put your fingers for each chord, and then we'll talk about strumming. But if you want to learn the chords, then just keep on watching. But before we dive into the chords, let's talk about how we number the strings and the frets. So let's pick up our uke, and the top string is going to be the 4th string. The next one down is going to be the 3rd. The next one down is going to be the 2nd. And the last one at the bottom, that's going to be the 1st string. So it's going to be 4, 3, 2, 1. And now let's take a look at our fretboard. So as you can see on this uke, you have these sort of silver lines. So this is going to be the 1st fret, 2nd fret, 3rd fret, 4th fret, 5th fret, and then so on. So as always, if you do need a little bit more time just kind of familiarizing yourself with the uke, make sure to press the pause button and really just take a look at your uke and be like, all right, I got the strings down, I got the frets down, everything numbered, all good. Press play, and then let's go ahead and learn these chords. All right, so let's learn how we play these chords. As always, I will be putting a visual representation right here, right next to me, so you can kind of visually see where you need to put your fingers on the uke. I feel like it just helps a lot when you can visually see where you need to put your fingers, and also me talking you through where you need to put your fingers. So it's like a double whammy again, visual, audio, yes. So with that being said, the first chord that we need is the A minor chord, and how I like to play this one is I like to take my middle finger and I like to place it on the 4th string, which again is the top string, 4th string, 2nd fret, and it should sound like this. The next chord is the C chord, and how I like to play this one is I like to take my ring finger and I like to place it on the 1st string, which again is the bottom string, 1st string, 3rd fret, and it should sound like this. The next chord is the D minor chord, and how I like to play this one is I like to take my pointer finger and I like to place it on the 2nd string, 1st fret. Then I take my middle finger and I go over the top 2 strings, which is the 4th and the 3rd string, on the 2nd fret. So I kind of just go over both with my middle finger, and it should sound like this. The next chord is the E7 chord, and how I like to play this one is I like to take my pointer finger and I like to place it on the 4th string, 1st fret. Then I take my middle finger and I place it on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. Then I take my ring finger and I place it on the 1st string, 2nd fret, and it should sound like this. And the last chord that we need for this song is the F chord. Now how I like to play this one is I like to take my pointer finger and I like to place my pointer finger on the 2nd string, 1st fret. Then I take my middle finger and I place it on the 4th string, 2nd fret, and it should sound like this. Sweet. So those are all the chords that we need for this song. Again, if you do need a little bit more time, make sure to pause this video and just get really familiar where to put your fingers for each chord. Make sure that you memorize those things, and then also get really comfortable with transitioning between the chords, making sure it sounds clear and crisp and not muted. Again, if you do need a little bit more time, just take as much time as you want, press pause, and just, get really comfortable with it. And as soon as you feel comfortable where you can either just do down strumming or strumming, then I would press play, and let's talk about how we're going to play this song coming up. All right, so we talked about chords. Let's talk about how we're going to strum this song. Now, because the strumming pattern is a little bit different to what we've previously done in tutorials in the past, I want to kind of break it down a little bit further. So the strumming pattern for the first verse is going to be A minor, C, F. So again, the strumming pattern for the verse is going to be A minor, C, F. So I'll make sure to include that and just keep that strumming pattern up so you can visually see that. So for the one I was talking about breaking it down by chord, so basically you're going to start with the A minor chord. You're going to have your A minor chord down, and you're going to play with the strumming pattern. It's going to be down, up, down, up. That's going to be for the A minor. So again, it'll be down, up, down, up. Let's do it one more time. Have the A minor chord down in 3, 2, 1. Down, up, down, up. And then you're going to switch to the C chord, which is just going to be down, up. Again, it's just the C chord is going to be down, up. And then we're going to move on to the F chord. And that strumming pattern is going to be down, up, down, up, down, up. So now let's go ahead and kind of put everything together. Again, I will strum slowly for this, and I will have the chord that you need with the strumming pattern, and just kind of go really slowly and just get really familiar with that strumming pattern. So again, we're going to start off with A minor, then go to C, and then go to F. So let's start off with the A minor in 3, 2, 1. Down, up, down, up. Let's go to C. Down, up, F. Down, up, down, up, down, up. So how that strumming pattern is going to sound if you just kind of go straight through, it's just going to go. So again, it's just going to be for the A minor, down, up, down, up, C, down, up, F, down, up, down, up, down, up. So let's do that one more time. Let's start with the A minor in 3, 2, 1. Down, up, down, up, C, down, up, F, down, up, down, up, down, up. So if you're like, Ricky, I don't even want to strum, I just started playing like yesterday or today, don't worry, you can literally just do down strum. So it can be like A minor, C, F. That's the kind of the pattern and the tempo that you're going to do. So again, A minor, C, F. So it's going to be like, I wanna be alone with you. So strumming down will sound just as good, and actually in the play along I do a down strum for the first verse. I just strum down whenever I see a chord change, and I think it just kind of strips it down and make it sound a little bit just kind of more mysterious and just a little bit stripped down. So I think it sounds awesome. And then let's talk about the chorus of the song. So it's just going to be E7, and that's going to be down, up, up, down, up, down, up. And then you're going to go to F, down, up, down, up, down, up. So it's just going to be down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And that's what you're going to do for the chorus of this song. So again, there's going to be sort of 2 strumming patterns, I guess 3 if you're going to do down strumming as well, that you're going to do for this song. It's a little bit more challenging, but again, highly recommend to practice, and it really sounds awesome because it really does sound so more authentic to the actual original song, which I think is awesome. And again, you guys have been asking about sort of incorporating different strumming patterns instead of just doing the down, down, up, down, up. So this is definitely a little bit trickier, but I definitely have confidence in you that you will get it if you just practice. And yeah, practice will be your best friend. So now that we talked about the chords and the strumming, again, I will mention that I did do the full play along for the song. I'll link it in the top comments and also in the description. Usually I do add a sort of a mini play along section, but those videos unfortunately get copywritten or copy striked. I don't know what the word is for that. So that kind of is a bummer. But again, the full play along will be available the next day after this. So definitely go check that video out. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this song. Alright, so that is it for this Hostage by Billie Eilish ukulele tutorial. If you did like this video, make sure you give it a big old thumbs up. Also, if you haven't already, what are you doing? Hit that subscribe button. It looks a little bit like this. Click it, it will turn gray. Also, if you want to be notified every single time I upload a video right here on YouTube, make sure to hit the bell icon right next to the subscribe icon. And finally, what else? Follow me on Instagram. We're almost at 55,000 Instagram family members, and I would love for you to join. Send me a DM letting me know what YouTube video you came from, and if you have any questions or whatever, if you want to have any questions about getting a uke or what size or have song recommendations, again, you can always DM me on Instagram. Also, leave comments in the comment section. I always respond, or I try to always respond to every comment here on YouTube. So leave some love. Again, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends if you would like to. That's pretty much it. I also do want to give a huge shout out to Enya Ukulele for sending me this beauty of a uke. This is the model number EUC25D. This is sort of a turquoisey, bluey color. I'm not great with colors, but as you can see on screen, it's an absolute stunner of a uke. This is their concert size uke. Absolutely love it. I love the sound. So thank you again to Enya for sending me this. I will be including links to everything where you can purchase this uke, and also to the Enya website so you can check out all the different other models. Everything will be linked in the description below, so definitely go check it out. Again, this one is the model EUC25D Concert Enya Ukulele, and it's absolutely amazing. I love this one. I have a bunch of Enya ukuleles, so highly recommend this brand if you're looking for a uke. They are 1, super affordable, 2, really pretty and unique looking, and 3, they sound amazing. So I mean, it's like a triple threat, you know what I mean? Like, they're really affordable, they're beautiful, and they sound amazing. Sign me up, you know what I mean? But anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. I really do appreciate you watching these and just kind of hanging out with me, learning new music for these 10-15 minutes. I really do love this time that we have together. Again, follow me on all the socials linked in the description, and that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. Leave your song recommendations in the comments below, and I would love to hear what kind of music you listen to and what you want to see on this channel. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.